Today we're making blueberry cake with brown sugar sauce. So we'll start with our wet ingredients, and we got a quarter cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and then we'll go with our dry ingredients. For our dry, we have 2 cups of flour, and as usual, I substitute 1 cup for whole wheat. 3/4 cups of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So we'll put those dry ingredients mixed in with our wet and stir just until mixed. Then we're going to add in 1 cup of blueberries that have been dusted in 1 tablespoon of flour. And we'll fold those in gently. And then we'll add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to spread that in an 8x8 lightly greased pan and bake that at 350 degrees for 50 minutes to 1 hour. And I'll check it at 50 minutes, and it's done when the toothpick comes out clean. So for our brown sugar sauce, we have 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and to that we're adding 1.5 cups of boiling water. Now we're going to put that on medium-low and stir it often until it starts to thicken. Then we'll remove it from the heat, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of butter. Then we can have our warm sauce over our warm cake. Enjoy! Thank you for creating with me.